doing? You're silly. Hi. Oh my. Oh. Hi. Hi. Katie, today you're 18 months. You're a big girl today. Did you see the doctor today? Doctor. What did the doctor do? Were you happy or sad when you saw the doctor? Were you happy or sad? You were sad? You were crying? Oh my goodness. Did you get a sticker though? Yeah, you got a sticker. You got an Elmo sticker? Oh, did you get a Snow White sticker? Oh, was it shiny? Oh, you got me. Oh, you're so boo. Oh, you got me. What kind of face is that? Oh my goodness, you got me. Oh my. Do you need a drink of water? Oh, thank you. Do you need water? You giving it to mommy? Thank you. Love you. Oh my. Katie, do you like the doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is she nice? Is she nice, Dr. Fournier? Is she nice?
Nice.
Yeah, she's nice. Did she have a stethoscope?
Yeah.
Did she put it on you? Yeah. Did she look in your ears? She didn't? Well, she tried to. You swatted her away. Yeah, you were swatting at the doctor. Yep, grabbing her instruments. Oh, thank you. Okay, Katie, say hi, Grandma. Oh, careful. Okay, say bye-bye, Grandma. Gaga. And Papa.